A mother who can take care of you all the time.
This is for you only.
Happy anniversary, Daddy! Daddy! Wow! Wow! It's mommy? It's a mommy!
Kung tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo
Talsik lang yung letter ko.
Sabi ng surin siniyaw. Grabe nga kulot. Guard.
Ay?
Gusto ko.
A few moments later.
Pretty yarn. Huh? Daddy. Tayo ako, Daddy. Thank you. Ate. Rice. Yes. May mapapala mo na naman tonight. Sa video. It's so cute.
Alright, cheese plus pork belly.
Pangutan na dahil, B.
Did they have an extra song?
Extra song? Yeah.
No.
Is
that what you mean?
Crumble here.
Yeah.
The whole crumble. So if you guys finish them all, like, you guys want to eat more, so you can This is the meat you guys have, yeah?
Para. Buwat na lang. Wow! Malimit akong ilog. Yeah, all good. Happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary.
Ilan naman ka years?
Bye.
Wow, Chef Adrian.
Kung rice mo pang baking.
Ano di?
Rice nila pang baking.
Sarap naman. Ha? Sulod.
Ka ng bedsheet?
What's that? What's that? Open it. Pink lagi. No pink. Open it. Why don't you use the scissor? Because you need to faster. my gosh. Ay, Lugin. Oh, ito sa baby. Si baby ang magligo. Mag-ano yan? Magamit yan sa bed mo? Okay. Ha? Oh my God, what's that? What's that? Oh. Faster, faster, faster. What's that? My God, you're so tagal. Ano ni? Phone? Thank you, Lord. Nanakoy ko. Oh, you put it there na. You remove the other one. Itong tawon, Nede.